Good morning, everyone. So I just got back from my little RV trip, and this is something I could have done last night, but it was kind of late, and I was just like, we'll leave it for the morning, even though I was really ready to get back and making videos. But I do have a haul in pretty much from HSN. It's 3 different Autoships, it should be, and I even checked my tracking, and that's what it should be, so there should be no surprises here. I know last time I was like, oh, it should be 2 Autoships, and then only 1 was in there. The Griffin Flower Shop auto ship, which I don't remember the name of it right now. It's I can't think of it, but anyway, so that's the second one. Like, you got the initial one that you ordered, right, and then this first auto ship came in, and now the second auto ship is in, and then a couple other diamond press ones, and so I will show you those very shortly here. And I don't believe they're available yet, like for individual purchase, but I will have some links for some other items in the description box. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. So thanks for using those if you would like to. For one of them, it'll take you right there with LDRS Creative. They are having their inventory blowout, and it started, I want to say Friday. Possibly Thursday, but it ends on Sunday, and my link will take you right there. It'll say, LDRS Creative Inventory Blowout, because you have to have the link to get to the sale. You might be able to find it other ways on their site, but it's not really like announced on their site. And I wanted to show you guys this because it's their mega inventory blowout sale again through August 13th at basically midnight, right? A minute before midnight. Save 50% over. Okay, good. I didn't know what the percentage was, because I was like, a lot of times what LDRS Creative does is that you just put it in your cart and then you'll see the discount. So like the Big Word Love die set. It coordinates with this stamp set, but you don't have to. I'm sorry, this is the die and this is the stamp. Oh my gosh. But anyway, the dies coordinate with the stamp, but you don't have to have both of them to work, because you can see that it does say love even without the stamp. But what you would do is, you're going through, the everyday word dies, which I love, the all occasion words. There's just a lot of stuff in here. And again, if you're interested, you would just, on your phone, you would click, and then when you add it to your cart, it still says $24.99. But in the cart, it'll show the discount. Okay, so that's how they do it. It's a little different, and if you're not aware of that, you're gonna say, hey, this doesn't look like a sale to me at all. But there are tons of things in here. Another one, and I'm sure it's gonna sell out probably even before you guys see this, is like, oh my gosh, those cute little flower doodles with the dies. I love that. The stenciling, and enamel dots. These are the McKenna ones, and I love McKenna Christmas. It's very pink and minty and black, and look at that, like that kind of pattern. There's only 7 of this paper pack left, guys. So yeah, if you're interested, I will have it linked. It'll go right to the sentiment stacks, which are awesome. I love this because they're always putting out more and more stamps to go in these. So some might be every day, some might be like Christmas, some might be birthday related, and you just stamp it, and then the same die will cut all those different things for you. So I'm sure there are stamps that coordinate with that. The plaid dies, oh gosh, you guys, I'm gonna have to grab those. So anyway, I'll be doing some shopping myself here. So this, as you can see, is the Christmas sentiment stack. And just make sure you're getting the right die for that stack, and it'll tell you, because like that stack is there, but this one says straight 2, and so that might be for a different type of stamp set. So just pay attention to that straight 1, and it might work on both of them. It's just this one has like little dovetails, and this one's just straight, but just pay attention to that, because they do have a couple different types of stacked dies. Really, really great. So I will link that in the description box. I'm definitely shopping it. Yeah, the plaid plates need to come home with me. And then I want to show you something from Spellbinders. If you look at their coming soon, you will see that there are a few different advent calendars. Well, not a few, but 2. And right now they're doing a giveaway for the advent calendar for 2023 and the die cutting. And a die cutting machine. Now, that does not mean the advent calendar is available yet. It is coming soon, and it is part of the September releases. So, sorry, I don't know why I'm putting that away. If you click on coming soon, you will see 12 Days of Stitchmas advent calendar, you guys. That's a new one. So 12 areas that are going to have dies, obviously stitching dies. The Crafty advent calendar has 24 spots, right? And that will be also coming soon on September 10th. So whenever they have coming soon, they usually launch on the 10th of that month. So it's September 10th, August 10th. You guys saw some of the new releases, which are so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys have so many videos prepared, planned for you guys. And then the 12 Days of Stitchmas is going to have a stitch along add-on kit, and it is so cute because the way they packaged it. But I will say that there's a couple things. So whenever this happens, they launch like the advent calendar like last year. I can show it to you, but I'm not able to open it until December 1st, so you won't see anything in there unless somebody else does it. And sometimes some other companies, like just other companies that carry their items, might have opened it. But for us, they're asking that we don't open it, but we can show it to you right at the box when it goes live, so you can pick it up. This guy I might be able to show you a little bit early because this will be available at other retails earlier, so maybe scrapbook.com or maybe Scrapbook Pal or something like that. So I'll be able to show you that earlier, the Stitchmas calendar, but I want to say that this Stitch Along, the add-on kit, will not be available at other places other than on Spellbinders. Okay, so I just wanted you guys to have that information in case I start showing the Stitchmas advent calendar and you go and you buy it and then you're like, oh, but they didn't have, or oh, this is available now, you know, that kind of thing. So know that this will not be available other places, but you can get it on Spellbinder's site. So even if you were to pick up the calendar somewhere else, obviously you can pick this up separately, or if you want to wait and pick them both up together, you know, whatever it is. But I wanted to give you that info. So if you see this early, from me, it will not be available on Spellbinder's site, but I'm showing it to you because it's available on other sites already. This guy, you will see here. I believe I carry it at other places too, but not until it actually launches, I believe. That's what I know, or at least that's what I think I know. All right, guys, so let me grab the auto ship items. Let's see, put this receipt somewhere else. Die and press apron sewing / knitting stamp and die. Auto ships. This is the apron auto ship. There probably aren't too many more aprons left to come in. I've had quite a bit. Oh my gosh, and this is the cutest. I love the little ruffle. It looks, to me, very like something you would see like at a diner, you know? But this is the knitting and sewing. So I'll just show it to you right quick. And so we'll look at the different things that are in here. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, the little sewing machine. And look at the needle and thread. Oh my goodness. So you can stamp the needle and the thread separately. The yarn, you can put, oh, it's so cute because you can do your yarn in whatever color, you color it in, and even your label has a separate little piece to go over. That's really cute. We have your measuring tape, scissors, a ball of yarn, another just like a needle, the thread, the little pin cushion, and the thimble. So cute. We have some cute little flowers, so you can pair them up. So it says this with this equals like that. So that's what you have there, some decorative things, like a pin, buttons, wrap with embroidery thread, of course, a little thread holder, which is really cute. And then we have like a label. That's such a cute idea because, let's see, is it little guy? Yes, that is so cute because you can actually put a little thread in there and then put it in there. So if, as part of your project, you know, I wrap it a couple times with some thread. That is adorable. And then they just have some inspo there. And then, of course, you know, may your bobbin always be full. Crazy sewing lady, handmade with love. Hope you're on the mend. I mean, thank you so much, of course. Best mom ever. And so these are the stamps, and they're just a nice size. I mean, look at that. That's a really nice size. Cute. Even the sentiments are really nice and big. That is adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll put that to the side. And let me open up this other box. I have not opened any of these boxes. I'll be right back. Oh, okay, all right, perfect. So we have the Griffin box there, and then this guy too. Die and Press Nesting Die Kit Fall Halloween. So we will be curious to see what is here because the other one was called basically something similar, but that was from the, I kept calling it Celebration. It was the birthday gift box auto ship that they did a few months back. But this one, I've been getting this one for a while, right? The first one was a nativity one, and I want to say it must have been from like October, November last year. I don't think it was during Christmas in July that the first one was offered. If it was, then it's been over a year now. Because sometimes they do have 18-month programs where it's like for a year and a half that you're getting something every 2 months or 3 months. So this one I've had for a minute, so I love it. Oh my gosh. So we have the plate here, and this is separate from this die. So look how cute the little like leaves blowing around in the background there. Little fall leaves with like little flurries. And then You have the inlay of the little ghost and like haunted mansion. You have a little pumpkin trio and their little faces. Oh my goodness. So you can cut these. I'm assuming if you wanted to inlay them afterwards, right, you run this through and then you can inlay that, and then you can run this one through again like black paper and have it layered back, you know, behind it. This was orange, then the inlay, then just a black piece, or just cut these out and then stick them on, but I would do it the other way because these are kind of small pieces. That's really cute. That's interesting. Okay, so Trick or Treat, which has a really cute font. And then these are the inlays. So we have like a little scary tree with like the little gravestone and a cross. And then this is just this little stack of pumpkins that have like little stitching in there. Happy fall, y'all. And then we have, oh, the little accent pieces to the stems here on the pumpkins. And then Halloween something. Oh, Happy Halloween. It's upside down. So it's like this Happy Halloween. And then the stamps that come with this one are just, you know, huge fall breeze and autumn leaves. Have a spectacular Halloween. These are nice. Look at the size of that. Trick or treat. Hope your Halloween is deliciously spooky and full of peculiar fun. Oh, that's interesting. Here's to a night of mischief and a belly full of sweets. Oh, yeah. Loving the sweets. Okay, so real quick. Look at that. I love the font on that. That is so cute. Yeah, here are our little guys. And then our inlays and things. Very cool. Happy to have that. And of course I'll do tutorials on all these things later. And this, the moment we've been waiting for, is the Anna Griffin. Sorry about that. Guys, you know I love to be in the moment with y'all. I'm gonna open it and ooh and awe together. Wishing well. See, I wouldn't even thought that. That wouldn't have even crossed my mind. I was like, I can't remember what it's called right now, and that is the furthest thing from what I would have thought. But very cute. Oh yeah, I can see the well here. It looks very plain in the background, so we'll see how they played it up. And then just your beautiful stickers on the sides here. Includes cardstock, envelopes, stickers, sentiments, and cutting dies. And if this has a number, yeah, to log into. What's it called? Let me see, does it say on here? Finishing school, which I have never done with any of my codes, but you know, everyone says you should check it out because it's a lot like the crop at home. So I will, possibly. We'll see. Right, guys. But honestly, when I see it on the finishing school, she does charge like 30 or 40 bucks for the classes and stuff, and people take them, I suppose. So it's well worth, you know, logging in if you have a code for it. But look how pretty. And again, it's that Easel card where they do the piece here. I usually like to shape mine the shape of the die, but this die looks very thin, so we'll see. Which is fine. You can have a thin card. But maybe today, maybe, or not today. Sorry, guys. I don't want to tease you. This is just an unboxing. I have a lot of videos I need to create for deadlines coming up here, but and maybe I'll do it on the flat surface like this. I haven't done one that way. So very cute. Oh, I love the little basket. How cute is that? And then some ideas here, some inspo on the back. So let's check this guy out. Thank you. Happy birthday. Sending well wishes. Make a wish. Wishing you well. Happy birthday. That's pretty funny. Quite on the nose, right? Let me see. And then wishing you well again back there. That's cute. So every day, and then some special occasions. You have your signature cards because it's a little difficult to write anything on some of these cards sometimes. So you have your signature cards there. Let's look at the colorways on this. Cute. I mean, it's just really pretty. So, you know, that soft pink, light blue, kind of a limey little, I guess, chartreuse? A little more deeper than that. Green, more of a sagey blue if you compare this one to this one. And then that beautiful hotter kind of pink that Anna does, which is very pretty. Let's see here. Yeah, I love the colors in this already. I mean, tons of roses and maybe like lilac looking stuff. I don't know. Lots of roses. Really cute. I love this. A lot of times afterwards I'll be like, oh, that's whatever paper line, but like right now in my head, I don't know. So, oh, look at little clouds. That's fun. Let's different. So let's check these out, a few of these. So just grab some stuff. So we have some flower pots. Again, not super dimensional, which is interesting. These are all flat. Little topiary kind of thing if you want to build up, or like a little bush. Fern leaves, your little gold accents. I was trying to see about these clouds. That's very cute. Oh, some butterflies in there. Oh, the little sweet birdie right there. I think he's on a branch stuck to the roses. Envelopes. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm like, where are my card bases? I was just looking, duh, this is the card base. This one, you don't have card bases, you're building it on here. I was gonna start being very sad because what happens is the Autoships, they don't have any extra ones, or even if they do, I don't think they'll replace it for you. It's so crazy. They're just like, well, we can give you your money back, or, you know, we'll take $5 or $10 off if that makes you happy or whatever. So if there's a problem, and if it didn't make it to you, forget it, you know. So it's just, I was gonna be very upset, but there are no card bases. These are the card bases. So we have these papers here. Again, off the top of my head, I have no idea what line this is. I have this paper somewhere. I know that for sure. But anyway, so you can see the colorway here. Very pretty. And on the back side, some solid colors and then like a very muted pattern. I love the fern on that one. And nothing gold foiled, huh? That's interesting. I don't know if the other ones were like that. It's not really anything that pops into my mind, but that's interesting. And then some sheets of gold cardstock. I think they're all gold, yep, which is great. And then these are the dies. So we have the easel part, right, that's going to help you keep it up. That looks like this part here of the well that holds the basket, which is cute because that's something else that you can do dimensional without having to fussy cut yourself. So it has this part, and you can see it echoes exactly here. And then your little bucket, should I say, is separate there. How cute is that? And then this is the stopper or signature card, whatever, not signature card, but like where your sentiment might be. But generally this is what you use for the stopper. And then we have the beautiful, really decorative, looks like a cake, wishing well here, and then it has an outline for it also, which is really gorgeous. So yeah, looking forward to playing with this one. I haven't even played with, which one? Oh, I was gonna say the other, no, that's not true, not the other flower cart one, but the, so flower shop, flower cart, now we have wishing well. The luxury status purse, because what I wanted to do was wait until HSN had it for you guys to pick up if you weren't in the auto ship, but they have not released it, so let's play with that purse sometime this week. I think that'll be good. Alright guys, thank you so much. Again, I'll link LDRS Creative down in there. I gave you some info on that Spellbinders advent calendar, which I'm sure the other one blew out and like was gone so fast, like I think within a day, which is a real bummer because a lot of people missed it. So I will definitely let you know when it's available. And again, you might see the Stitchmas one early from me, but it's not going to be on Spellbinder's site until September 10th or released, which is usually the 9th. They usually release it the day before, just like if you want to sign up new with the clubs, it's supposed to be on the 6th, but a lot of times like 5th in the evening, 5th in the late afternoon, they've already opened them up. So, and I always let you guys know because you never know. LDRS Creative, huge sale. That, honestly, they don't do that very often, or they don't really do a lot of this kind of discount stuff, especially at 50%. And I know sometimes whenever they have launches and I show them, people are always like, oh, I wish they had bundle deals, or, you know, I really like the pricing they have on HSN. I mean, it's a little bit high, you know, on their site, and I understand all of that. And so this is really a great time, I think, if there was something you were looking at, and we're always kind of hesitant just due to pricing, that it's a good time. So you have until Sunday. I will have the link right there, so you go right to that special page, right? I think it said it had over 400 items, so that's crazy. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.